Many believe all OBD2 scanners work the same, but that's a misconception costing technicians time and money. I'm an ASE certified master technician with 15 years experience. I've seen countless diagnostic tools fail in real-world scenarios. Slow hardware, limited functions, and tangled cables frustrate everyone. Today, I'll show you a game-changing solution. Meet the Topdon Artidiag500 Lite, 2024's advanced diagnostic tablet. This isn't your average scan tool. It features Android 11.0 and a 1.8 GHz quad-core CPU. That means 5x faster processing for seamless diagnostics. The 10,000 mAh battery delivers up to 12 hours operation. No more recharging mid-job or losing data. Its 8-inch touchscreen offers a tablet-like experience. Intuitive controls make navigation effortless. Bluetooth 5.0 VCI enables wireless diagnostics up to 33 feet. No more tripping over cables or squeezing into tight spaces. Bidirectional control sets it apart from basic scanners. You can send commands directly to the ECU. Test injectors, coolant pumps, windows, wipers, and more. Pinpoint faults instantly, saving hours of guesswork. This is essential for busy repair shops and professionals. Full system coverage means no module gets missed. Engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, ESP, TPMS, and more. Read ECU info, clear codes, view live data, and retrieve freeze frame. Perform active tests with a single tap. The scanner supports 8 hot reset services: oil, throttle, EPB, ABS, BMS, steering angle, DPF, airbag resets. Streamline maintenance for 99% of global vehicles. The new DTC repair guide simplifies troubleshooting. Get fault code definitions and repair guidance instantly. Compatible with Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Fiat 2010-2014. Coverage expands continually with free software updates. Let's see it in action on a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Connect wirelessly using Bluetooth 5.0 VCI. AutoVIN and AutoScan detect all systems in seconds. A misfire code appears. Let's run an active injector test. Bidirectional control pinpoints the faulty injector immediately. Clear the code, verify repair, and check live data. All done without ever touching a cable. Now let's perform an oil reset after a routine change. Select the service menu, tap Oil Reset, confirm. Maintenance light is gone. Job completed in seconds. The Artidiag500 Lite works on cars from 1996 to 2024. Supports 60-plus brands and over 10,000 models worldwide. Available in 12 languages for global technicians. Rugged design withstands tough shop environments. Expandable memory up to 128 GB for data storage. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, it fits your workflow. Topdon offers a 1-year warranty and 2 years free updates. Enjoy 30-day refunds and exchanges for peace of mind. Dedicated U.S. phone support Monday to Friday. Email support available for any technical questions. If you return it, please mark as unsellable to protect others. Let's recap why this tool stands out. Fast wireless diagnostics save time and effort. Bidirectional control delivers precise fault detection. Comprehensive system coverage ensures no module is missed. 8 essential reset functions streamline maintenance. DTC repair guide makes troubleshooting accessible. Tablet-like hardware and intuitive interface boost productivity. Long battery life means uninterrupted diagnostics. Global vehicle coverage for maximum versatility. Continuous updates keep your tool future-proof. If you want efficient professional diagnostics, choose Topdon. Equip your shop or garage with the Artidiag500 Lite today. Experience the difference of advanced automotive technology. Stop wasting time with outdated or basic scanners. Invest in reliability, speed, and precision. Order your Topdon Artidiag500 Lite now. Transform the way you diagnose and maintain vehicles.